Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys some dies from a company called Kokorosa Studio. I was contacted by them to play with some of their dies, and I'm going to share with you guys what I picked out to play with. Also, you can pick up some dies as well, and you can get a 20% off discount. I will leave that code in the screen as well as in the description box below, okay? So make sure you open up that description box. It contains a lot of information, including the link to the store and links to the products that I'm going to share with you today, all right? So let me share with you guys what I'll be playing with. I selected this banner die, and I've already started playing with it. I have it on a magnetic sheet already, but I'm creating a super cute project with this banner, you guys. So make sure you come back to my channel to see what I've created using these dies. And the next die, I love a great cover plate die. So I selected this die to play with. And I'm going to create something really fun and cute with this. I love these kind of dies. And then lastly, you always got to have a good box die, right? So I selected this box die, and this is another die that I'll be playing with. So I can't wait to share with you guys my projects that I create. It's going to be super, super cute. So make sure you come back. If you are new to my channel and you would like to be a part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, make sure you hit that bell. You can also share this video and never, ever, ever forget to like. So make sure you like this video. I'm also on Instagram. I will leave a link below to my Instagram if you want to check me out over there as well. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.